In today's video, I'll teach you how to clear cache of Android. So if you do not want any cache on Android and if you want to clear it, what you have to do is follow these steps. First of all, clear the app cache. For that, open the settings on your device. Tap on this option storage that you can see on the screen. After you do that, you'll be led to the storage interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on this option apps that you can see on the screen. Now what you have to do is simply tap on the individual apps. After that, tap on this option clear cache. You'll have to follow the same process for all the application installed on your device. After you clear the cache of all the apps, proceed to clear the cache of the browser. For that, open the browser that you use in Android. Normally it is Google Chrome. Now after you do that, tap on the three dots that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. You'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on this option delete browsing data. Now you'll be able to delete all the data. Make sure this option for cookies, cache and other site data is selected. You can also select the time period. Tap on the field of the duration. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. You can simply tap on this option all time. Now tap on this option delete data that you can see on the screen. Now wait for a while. After you do that, the cache will be deleted from the browser too. So the overall cache of the Android will be deleted. So that is how you clear cache on Android. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.